Welcome to SQL 06. Today we are going to see on what is mean by ETL and a review job for the ETL developer. When we see what is mean by ETL it is nothing but it is extraction, transformation and loading. That is, we are extracting the data from the different sources. Okay, the source that it may be the databases. Databases, when we see it may be Oracle SQL, SQL Server, DB2, Teradata, like that, and a flat file it is nothing but it is like the text files, and applications. Okay, and these different sources are loading into the target based upon that business logic and the transformations. Okay, and this way only that ETL it is working. Okay, now we can see that what is the role it is that as a developer means first we should know about what is our requirement and what is my source and what is my target I need. Okay, then which databases I need to work on that, and familiar with those database. Okay, and data warehousing, because as a developer you are dumping all the data in the target in data warehousing only you are dumping, so should familiar on that data warehousing concept and data model it is like that a structure of the table. That is, you are dealing with a table in the three ways. Okay, that mainly we are working on that physical data model. Based on this physical data model only we are applying the transformations, everything. At last, scripting. So in the scripting we may get that familiar with shell, bash or python, any of the things we should familiar, sir. I already uploaded that SQL. Okay, Oracle SQL I already uploaded in our channels. I will upload that data warehousing and concept and scripting concept, data model, everything I can upload in the upcoming videos. Please do subscribe and kindly like it and share it, comment it. Thank you. We can see that next updates.